Patsy Kensit, 54, was left gutted after being unable to attend her son Lennon's runway show during London Fashion Week. The EastEnders actress took to Instagram on Monday night and earlier on Tuesday to proudly show off pictures and a video of the 23-year-old walking the Burberry show. She also admitted she was gutted she missed the event as she heaped praise on the fashion house's collection. In view of her 134,000 followers, Patsy wrote, "Lennon walking for Burberry. So proud. Wish I was their son." Taking to the social media platform with a follow-up post today, Patsy added, "Sorry, can't help it. Gutted I wasn't there and love the clothes. What a great expression and instinct for the future of fashion in my humble opinion." Burberry fans of the TV star rushed to the comments section to show their support as they praised Lennon's big fashion gig. Jazbo13 commented, "No need to apologize for being a proud mum." Nez_Tink 1973 added, "He's stunning." A little Liam G. Anna_app32 said, "I love it but prefer classic Burberry. Not that I wear it but have a purse. He makes it gorgeous X." Earlier this month, Patsy flashed a huge ring on Instagram after confirming her engagement news in a romantic video. She is set to tie the knot with millionaire property tycoon lover, Patrick Cassidy, after he got down on one knee with a huge diamond ring during their beach getaway. Patrick, 58, who is now a multi-millionaire thanks to his booming empire, is thought to have been introduced to her by friends. Patsy shared a series of stunning pictures and videos following the romantic proposal, which saw the business mogul surprise her on the beach. Patrick got down on one knee in the center of a love heart made up of rose petals on the sand as the sun set behind the couple. Sharing the self-explanatory snap, Patsy captioned the post, "I said yes." In an accompanying video, the actress showed off her huge diamond ring, which she showed off on camera. Celebrity pals flocked to comment on the post, as they congratulated the small-screen star. Michelle Keegan penned, "Aw Patsy, you deserve every bit of happiness. Congratulations 20. Denise Van Outen commented, "Congratulations." Elizabeth Hurley wrote, "Wow," followed by a series of heart emojis.